Mr. Trump, we as Kurdish sons ask you to express your support for the unity of Kurdistan. لاشم صد بارزة بكن بمدنا سر بمدنا جر قول لو رد دار اتما سر دار قسەی دڵم دێتە سەرزار کوردستان هەر وڵاتێکم نابێ بەشوار ڕاستی ئێمە کوردین و بە کوردی دەژین و بە کوردی دەمرین بەڵام ئێمە ئامانجمان ئەوەیە پەیاممان بە ئینگلیزی بە هەموو وڵاتان بگات بە تایبەتی بە ڕێز ترەمپ سەرۆکی ئەمریکا. Mr. Trump, we as Kurdish sons ask you to express your support for the unity of Kurdistan. We ask Mr. Lindsey Graham to send our message to President Trump. We have been opposed to the occupation of our country for many years. Turks, Syrians, Persians and Arabs. Neither our language, our culture and our land does not include each other. So why should they call the South Iraq? Why is the East Iran? Why is the West Syria? And why is the North Turkey? Till the last breath we breathe, we will say Kurdistan is a country and will not be for. Please stop killing. Please show your help to us. From a newborn child to an old man who is disabled. Even our martyrs and the dead in the other world are waiting for the statehood of Kurdistan. I won't talk more at the end of my words. I just want to say, we are Kurdish descendants and we will not give up until we achieve the goal. Long live Kurdish, long live Kurdish, long live Kurdistan. Biji Kurdistan, Sarkautur Roja.